Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, I'm going to show you how to make some easy Halloween candy bowl monsters. So I'm just going to get this in here. I'm going to make something fun for Halloween. So these are candy melts, there's no tempering involved. You can just let them sit here and set on their own, or you can put them in the fridge for about 5 minutes. And they will become very, very firm. So I'm going to do a bunch of these. I'm going to let it firm up and then I'll do a second coat. So now that I've finished my coatings, I am going to pop this into the fridge for about 5 minutes and then we'll unmold them. Now that these have chilled down, I'm just going to turn them over and you can see how easily they just pop right out. I've just got a fry pan here. We'll just heat these up, each side, and then we'll just stick them together, just like that. Perfect. For the next step, I want to create an opening to make this into a little bowl. So I'm just going to put this again onto my heated fry pan. And I'm just going to keep doing this until I get the size of opening that I want. And that looks good, just like that. And then to create the base, I'm just going to melt a little bit. That's it, and then right onto silicone mat. And then to finish these off, I'm just going to use some little mini M&Ms and just fill up each one of them with different things. If you're having a party, this is really fun. Oh, I've got these cute little pumpkins. I'm going to throw those in there. You can mix it up as well. So that's basically it for this really fun idea. So at this point I've made a few of the little spheres out of purple candy melts, and I'm just going to show you a different way of cutting into the top. Instead of melting it on a fry pan, I'm just heating it up a little piping tip here with my torch. Just want to make sure that it's hot enough. And then I'm just going to simply touch it onto the sphere. And I don't want it falling inside, so I'm just going to cut it like that and pull it out. And there we have it. So that's another way to do it. Now that I've zoomed in, you can see how nice and clean and crisp that cut is using our piping tip. I have some little eyeballs made by Wilton. They're just little candy eyeballs, and I just thought on a few of them I would apply them. So I've just put a little bit of melted candy melts right on there, and I'm just putting the little eyes on there. I thought I would put the eyes on there just to turn some of them into little monsters. I think that's kind of cute. So here we are again at the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. This little tutorial will also be available on my Facebook page. I'll just give a little 3D movement here so you can see a little better. These ones are super easy and very, very fun. So I had fun doing this. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.